How many layers does the membrane switch panel consist of? This is a common panel without circuit. This panel only consists of 2 layers, which are graphic overlay and back adhesive. This is one of the simplest structure of the membrane panels. As for the panels with circuit and membrane switches, the number of layers is usually 6 or more. Back adhesive. Lower circuit. The spacer. Upper circuit. Spacer adhesive. Graphic overlay. Also, according to customer needs, JRPanel supports special layer customization, such as graphic overlay, spacer, back adhesive. Customers who have requirements on thickness can get the desired products through customization. Follow JRPanel to learn more about membrane panel switch.